Hello friends. Today I am here to share about International Coffee Day. International Coffee Day is celebrated every year on October 1st. This is to recognize and celebrate efforts of all those people who are associated with coffee business as well as provide an opportunity for coffee lovers to share their love for the beverage. Now let's get to know about this International Coffee Day, what are the health benefits of having coffee, and also about the history and celebration of this International Coffee Day. Now let's get started. Now on this International Coffee Day, let's get to know some information about coffee. Coffee is a brewed drink prepared from roasted coffee beans, the seeds of berries from certain Coffea species. When coffee berries turn from green to bright red in color indicating ripeness, they are picked, processed and dried. Dried coffee seeds are then roasted to varying degrees depending on the desired flavor. Roasted beans are ground and then brewed with near boiling water to produce the beverage known as coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world. It can be prepared and presented in a variety of ways. For example, espresso, French press, cafe, latte, and many others. It is usually served hot, although chilled or iced coffee is also common. Now, moving on to the health benefits of coffee. Coffee boosts your physical performance. Coffee enlightens your mood, helps fight depression. It helps you focus and stay alert. Coffee reduces the risk of cancers and the risk of stroke. It reduces the risk of Parkinson's disease. Coffee contains many antioxidants that work as little warriors and protects your body. Coffee may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. It helps to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Now, let's get to know about some of the beauty benefits of coffee. It reduces cellulite. The abundance of caffeine in coffee plays a crucial role in reducing cellulite's appearance on the skin. It reverses the age clock. It provides sun protection. It prevents acne and pimples. It helps in enhancing hair growth. Now let's get to know about the history behind this International Coffee Day. Now, moving on to the disadvantage of coffee. Bad coffee can be toxic. Coffee can cause insomnia and restlessness. In case of pregnancy, don't drink more than 1 cup of coffee. Your baby is highly sensitive to caffeine. If you have a high cholesterol, filtered coffee is preferable. In case of kids, it may be increasing the bedwetting. Now, moving on to the history behind this International Coffee Day. It was in 2014 the International Coffee Organization decided to observe International Coffee Day every year on 1st of October. It is celebrated to raise awareness about issues of coffee farmers across the globe. International Coffee Day also observes the long history of the drink. The properties of coffee beans are likely to have first been discovered in Ethiopia. The seeds are the pits found in the coffee berry. The story goes that a 9th century goat herder noticed that stimulating effects on his goats and began experimenting. Coffee drinking was initially popularized in the Arab world around 15th century, spreading across Asia then to Italy. Later, it spread across Europe and to the Americas and finally to your coffee cup. So coffee is one of the world's biggest crops today. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this International Coffee Day. Now, moving on to the celebration of this International Coffee Day. There are so many different types of coffee available differing in strength and richness. So the best way of celebrating this day is with a delicious cup of coffee. You can try out different coffee recipes too. For example, Dalgona coffee is most trending in fashion. You can also choose from coffees such as lattes, cappuccinos, americanos and much more. Many states and countries across have a unique way of preparing this drink, so it is always fun to try something new. You can also plan an event or a get together in honor of this International Coffee Day by ensuring your support for the industry and millions of farmers' livelihood that depend on this crop. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this International Coffee Day, the little information about coffee, some of the health benefits of having coffee, the disadvantage of coffee, and also about the history and celebration of this International Coffee Day. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.